Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make the Mexican red rice. It's really easy, so stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright, the first thing that we're going to need is rice. So I'm putting it straight into the pan and I am measuring about 2 cups. You made a baby nest?
Yep.
Aww.
Mommy, have you seen?
Next thing to do is to dice up some onion and put it right into the rice. So usually I have my oil getting hot while I'm cutting up my onion, and I already have my rice starting to toast, but I'm used to making white rice because I've been lazy lately, so I accidentally poured the rice in first, but that's okay. So I'm just going to add this to the rice and then I'll add the oil later. So this is about the amount of onion that I have in there. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more. If I had to estimate, I'd say that's about a half a cup of diced onion. So now to the stove, I'm going to add about half a cup of oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this on high and I'm going to start frying this. And it will start toasting the rice as well as kind of caramelizing the onion. Don't skip this step. This step really adds a lot of flavor to your rice. Wow, you did a good job.
Can you do that?
So it's been a few minutes. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put this kind of a little bit on medium, and I'm going to start making our salsa that goes in here. So we're going to need 2 Roma tomatoes, a small piece of onion because I already have the onion in with the rice that is frying. So we're just going to need a little bit right here, just a small little sliver or 2, and a couple pieces of garlic. I think there's about 3 here together, and I'm just going to stick this all in my blender. If you have a high power blender, you probably already know that it's fine to keep that skin stuff on and it'll just pulverize it. So to the blender.
I don't know if she's playing. And Isaiah has a phone and he's going to get his PSP tomorrow. And look what I'm doing.
Okay, so I've turned this back on high and you can see that it's getting a really nice toasted color. So I'm gonna add the salsa into this now. Sorry about the shot, you couldn't really see it. But this is going to fry the salsa and give it a really good flavor. We're gonna wait for this to come back up to a boil, and I'm just gonna check the salt real quick. You wanna make sure that you check your salt before the rice cooks.
Ready? After Isaiah going to be my
So yeah, I think it needs a little bit of salt. And I usually like to add cumin to this, but I don't have any cumin right now. So I just have to leave it out. But yeah, if you like cumin, go ahead and add it also. Just make sure to check your salt. So when this comes up to a boil, I can see that it's already coming to a boil. I'm going to drop it to low and then cover it up and let it cook. So once it comes up to a boil, then what you want to do is be sure to scrape the bottom and stir all the rice off of the bottom before you put the lid on it and drop it down low, because whatever is there already is going to probably burn if you don't move it around before you put it on the stove for a while. So just be sure to give it a stir and then you can go ahead and put the lid on. Oh, sorry, yeah, all my pots and pans are in the oven, so it sounds crazy just trying to get the lid out. Oh yeah, that's mine. You can hold on. You can have that later on.
Here's my lip candy, my lollipop, and my pop.
Ah! So this is after 10 minutes on low. And then you gotta check the rice and stir in the liquid on the top.
I just got like 2 licks.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that was yours, so you could have said it was
Oh, that's nice. So I'm just trying to fluff up the rice and get it nice and fluffy. So, to plate this, we are going to put these here on the plate like this. Like so. And we're having this tonight with mole verde, which I will show you guys later on this week. And that is it. You can always add corn or whatever you want, mixed veggies, peas, whatever you want to your rice to make it more hearty. But this is just the basics of how to make the red rice. And we're already eating it with mole verde, so I figured it matched well. But that's it. Nice and simple. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like it. And thank you so much for watching. Gracias.